Hello everyone, the Ferrari SP-8 is made to order for client from Taiwan. The main difference between the new model and the F8 Spider is the new body and the absence of a folding roof. The front has narrow headlights and thin daytime running lights. There is also a spoiler that is neatly integrated into the car body. At the back there are compact lights consisting of 4 elements. The Ferrari SP-8 is equipped with a 3.9-liter turbocharged V8 engine with an output of 720 horsepower. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour takes about 2.9 seconds. The top speed is over 330 km per hour. The interior has a new gear selector. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.